What's up guys, Frank here with another DIY video. In today's episode, Daniel, shut up. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transform this used and abused steering wheel. As you can see, it has a lot of wear, as you can see right there. So I'm going to show you today how you can do it cheaply also. So stay tuned. So in order to do that, I bought this steering wheel cover on AliExpress. As you can see here, it's made by leather. So I'm going to wrap this into the steering wheel. You can do it also in a plenty of vehicles. They have a lot of replacing covers that you can change and give a new look feel to your steering wheel, because I don't like the external covers, you know, it loses the feel of the steering wheel. So we will go ahead and take off the airbag and wrap this, and with those tools make sure that everything goes there as it should. So to take out the airbag in my car, I have X screws right there. You can take them off with X tool. I have one on this side and the other one is on the right side. So as you can see, the airbag is off and Daniel is helping me here. This leather that I purchased, you have to wrap it into the original one, so you don't have to take off the old one. You will just put it here, a new one, and wrap it. So let's go ahead and first test fit it. And also I'm going to put down the link for you guys. Buy it on AliExpress and look for your car if you want to do it also. Alright, as you can see here, I was test fitting everything, and yes, everything looks good. Now what I have to do, I have to use the double-sided adhesive that they gave us. As you can see right there, I will stick it into the cover. Then I will go ahead and line again, and then I will take off the adhesive, and I will start making the sewing. Yeah. I have the adhesive here as the instruction showed me. Now it's time to put it back and try to align it again. Then I will take off the adhesive. Only take off the adhesive after you put back and make sure that everything is aligned. Alright guys, now it's time to sew. So what you have to do, a small loop, and you will just start from, I will just start from this corner, and I will try to go this way first, this side right here, then I will move to this side right here, then for last I will do the upper side. So I will do that off camera, then I will show you the final result. Alright guys, as you can see, this part is almost finished. I just have to go for the second round, but it's looking very nice. I'm liking the results. As you can see, there's still this left to do, but as you can see right here, it's looking very nice.
3 hours later.
Yeah, that's it guys, it's finally done. As you can see, this is how the steering wheel is looking. Oof. It took a while to finish the job. I think it took about 4 hours to finish the whole job. As you can see, I started, it was there was sunlight and now it's dark, but yeah, everything is done. The steering wheel feels very nice, as you can see here. I have everything wrapped up. Yeah, the only thing is missing is to insert back the airbag, and we are done. Yeah, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how the steering wheel is looked after the final assembly. So that's it, the job is done. And if you did like the video, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell notification to get notifications when I post new videos, and I see you next time. Cheers. Poof.